How to cancel flight in Expedia. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can actually cancel your flight in Expedia, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to actually cancel your flight in Expedia, all you need to do is simply open the Expedia application. Then once you launch the Expedia app, you will see this type of interface where depending upon your flight and the cancellation policies, you want to go to the trip section here, and once you come to trips, you'll find the option called find your bookings or start exploring. So if you have any trips that you've planned so far, you'll find them, or else you can just select find your booking option, then enter the itinerary number of your flight, and then you should be able to view all the managing options and then cancel your flight in that way. But if this doesn't work out, then you can simply contact the customer care by coming to accounts, scrolling down, and then you want to simply go to the option called support or whatever else you actually prefer. And then once you go to support and contact a specific person, then you should be able to go ahead and actually cancel your specific trip or the flight. That's simply how you can cancel flight on Expedia. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.